So if you're thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing in 2021, but you don't know where to start, if it's too late to get started, or what affiliate marketing even is, then I'm going to be talking about that in this video. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in this video, I'm going to be going over affiliate marketing. I'm not going to go into a full step-by-step guide on how to get started with affiliate marketing because I've done that in the past, and I'll leave a card up here somewhere if you guys want to check that out. But I'm going to just be talking about more general what you need to get started with affiliate marketing and what to expect. Now, before I go into this video any further, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. If you guys are brand new here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So let me just first start off by explaining what affiliate marketing actually is. So this is where you're promoting somebody else's product online through your own link. So whenever you sign up with an affiliate program and you want to promote a certain product from that program, you're going to be given an affiliate link. So this is the link that you're going to have people click on if you want them to buy that product. And basically that product purchase is going to be tracked back through your affiliate link and you're going to get credit for the sale. So when getting started with affiliate marketing, you're going to have to first look for an affiliate program. And there's plenty of free programs out there like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, JVZoo. Even Target has their own affiliate program. Then the second thing you're going to want to do is find a product to promote. Now once you have your product, you're going to get your affiliate link to promote that product. And then once you have your affiliate link, then you can start promoting it, and then you're going to paste your affiliate link on platforms like social media, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you're going to promote that product, and you're going to paste your affiliate link there. So just to give you an example, let's say I'm an affiliate for this headset right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create content promoting this headset. I might do like a YouTube video just doing a review on this headset. Maybe talk about who it's for, talk about the pros and cons of this headset. And then I'm going to give people a call to action at the end of my video, letting them know, hey, if you want to purchase this headset for yourself, there's a link in the description of this video where you can buy it. And that's how most people promote products as an affiliate. Now, what most beginners do when getting started with affiliate marketing is they just take their affiliate link and they just spam it all over the internet. They just post it on their Facebook profile, Instagram profile, just on TikTok or just YouTube, wherever they can find it, even on random blog sites. Just say, hey, buy this headset, here's the link. And that's where a lot of people fail because they try that approach without creating any value. And they say, affiliate marketing, it doesn't work. It's a scam or it's just not meant for me. But the thing is, they're not creating any value. They're just putting a link out there and hoping somebody clicks on their link and buys that product through their affiliate link, which is not a winning strategy. So that's why you always need to create value whenever creating content that's going to be promoting whatever affiliate product that you're going with. Now, if you're wondering where to get started, I just covered that. Basically, there's a bunch of different free affiliate programs that you can get started with. ClickBank is probably the #1 site for affiliates. Amazon is the easiest. So, I mean, Amazon is great to get started with, but they don't really pay too much when it comes to commissions. It's a great way. It's a great place to get started. But I mean, in the long term, it's not really going to make you a lot of money. It's just a great way to earn some extra side cash. Then there's also other programs like JVZoo, and basically those are the most common ones. But then there's also private affiliate programs that tend to pay you a higher percentage when it comes to commissions. Now, usually with those higher tier programs, they require you to apply to be an affiliate because they don't want to compromise somebody who's going to be a liability for their company just by spamming their affiliate link, and they have no type of integrity, or they're not going to be compliant as to when it comes to promoting their product. Meaning they're going to be making outrageous claims saying that you can get rich overnight or stuff like that. Basically compromising the company. So that's why a lot of high tier programs that pay you higher commissions, they require you to apply as an affiliate, and you need to probably like have some type of experience. Then once you find your program, you need to pick a product that you're going to promote. Now, when picking a product to promote, I recommend picking a product that falls into a category that you are generally interested in. For example, if you're somebody who's into health and fitness, then it's a good idea to pick a product that's related to health and fitness, maybe like a weight loss supplement or some type of natural energy supplement. Or if you're somebody who's into electronics like computers, gaming, stuff like that, it's good to go with a product that falls under that category, because that just means you're going to put more effort into it, and you're more passionate and enjoy actually doing reviews or comparisons about the products that you're going to be promoting. Then once you pick your product, then the next thing you're going to do is get your affiliate link for that product. So some programs are a little bit different on how you get your affiliate link, but I mean, it's pretty much generally the same. You find a product and there's usually a button where you click on that says get your affiliate link. You're just going to copy that link, and then you're going to paste it on whatever platform that you're going to go with to promote that product. Now, like I mentioned, don't just get your affiliate link and just start spamming it all over the internet. You should deliver content that's going to create value and encourage people to buy whatever product that you're promoting. So like I mentioned, for the example of this headset, if I was an affiliate for this headset, I would do a YouTube video, and I would think about the questions that people would be having when it comes to what type of sound they have, the build quality. Just think about the questions that your potential customer is having before buying this headset, because maybe they might be looking at other headsets but they're not quite sure yet, and then they see your review on it and you answer some questions that they might be having. So that's a great way to think about it if you're going to be doing a review or just creating content in general for an affiliate product. Then after you create value for the content that you're going with to promote the product, you just simply give a call to action. So this is something as just simply saying, hey, if you're interested in buying this product for yourself, here's the link down in the description or wherever you're going to put it, and just let them know, hey, this is where you can get it for yourself. So now that I covered what affiliate marketing actually is and where to start, let me just quickly answer the last question, which is it too late to get started with affiliate marketing? And the short answer is no. Now, some people might be thinking, oh, affiliate marketing, it's too late for me to get started. There's way too much competition. There's too many people involved in it. But the thing is, whenever you see competition in a certain business or industry or field, that means that there's profit to be made. If there was no profit to be made with affiliate marketing, obviously nobody would be doing it. And most people who start affiliate marketing, they just try it out to see how it is. But the majority of people who start affiliate marketing, they don't actually stick with it long enough to see results. A lot of people have this shiny object mentality, meaning they see the new best opportunity out there. They try it out because they think they're going to make $1 million overnight or in a weekend. And when it doesn't meet their expectations and they realize that it actually takes hard work to become profitable with affiliate marketing, then they just move on to something else like Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, whatever it is. So just keep that in mind. Affiliate marketing is a great way you can see results pretty quickly. I mean, results do vary, but if you're consistently putting in the work, then you are going to see results. It may not be within a week or a month or even 6 months, but if you're consistently putting in the work, dedicating time to learn and learning from your mistakes, then you are going to see results from affiliate marketing. Well, that's basically all I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully it answered some of your questions that you might be having about affiliate marketing. And like I mentioned before, if you guys want to learn step by step on how to get started with affiliate marketing if you're a beginner, just check out the cards up in the video that I left up earlier. And if you want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to getting started with your own online business, then check out the links in the description of this video. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.